most modern and GIS based, linked to so many other types of plans which are on the playground now, like sanitation, disaster, and heritage and capital economy, other plans. And then role of development authority and ULBs will be identified. In the earlier GNRM, we had said abolish in the constitutional provisions, but role of development authority will be defined. Devolution of funds under constitution, under 14th financial and the state finance will be monitored and pushed so that the states also ensure their devolution. Uh, Bylaws again form a major part. Recently in February, we have launched the urban and regional plan implementation and formulation guidelines. Based on that, we have now come up with the draft model building bylaws. And both of these will be pushed so that the country is on a similar platform as long as the building permission, construction permissions, and planning is concerned. Setting up a financial intermediary at state level is becoming more and more important because of the focus on PPP, focus on resource mobilization, market borrowings. So there would be support from our bilateral and multilateral donors technically to set up financial intermediaries where they do not exist. Then municipal tax reforms is the repeat of the previous ones, efficiency and coverage in user charge also and in tax also to strengthen the existing resource base, and then credit rating and energy and water audit. These are the major ones as now. I'm sorry, as a chair, I would not have taken so much of time, but now I leave the floor to Dr. Mohanty to take his ideas for capacity building. Thank you very much.